Guess you wanna know why I'm on the phone. It's been a day or so. I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo. See you in 1 year. See you in 1 year.
After
Live a long life.
After the army.
After the army, I'll come see you. Why is you look so slow?
Miss you.
I miss you.
I know you hate me.
Hi Col, happy birthday. Unta malipayon ka sa imong adlaw nga natawhan o unta tagaan pagkagtaas nga kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Amping permi Col kana lang and God bless. So once again, happy birthday Col. Bye bye.
Well, I miss you too.
2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Lolo. Wish you all the best and good health. From group 2. Anak ni Dun.
I know it's kinda late.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. Yes, son. Love you.
So hard when you're far away.
Again.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Some more, what else?
Long life.
Long life.
Wait for
It's lame, but I forgot the date.
Happy birthday, Lola.
I love you.
Love you. God bless.
I won't make the same mistake.
Happy birthday, Lo.
So to blame.
Oy, happy birthday day kang Tatay Rodolfo Cabrera. Tay, happy birthday ni mo dia ha. So, tay kana kay birthday man ni mo ron. Tagaan ta okay ra tagaan na isa ka sako bugas tay nya. Lo kanang luto na daan tay. Okay ra ba? Okay ra ba ni mo ba? Kita binoar na tay ha. Happy birthday Tatay Rodolfo Cabrera. Tay manginaot ko nga dengan pangatuigan nga maabot si mong kinabuhi kung malipayon ka tay. No, sa imo ha birthday kauban imong mga apo, imong pamilya, no. So Tay Rodolfo Cabrera, happy birthday. Ay naot magkita tapon. Amping kanunay tay, amping.
So now you know. Don't hang up the phone.
Great lang nako happy birthday si Tatay Rodolfo Cabrera. Dulugaya na ni mos kulo kalihukan, no? So, happy birthday, Tay. Unta na kulo kalipay kasi mong birthday. Alamping kalanunay, ano, balakit.
Happy birthday. I know you hate me. Well, I miss you too. I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. It's alright, I don't care. You know I'll make it up to you. If I could, I'd be there. Well, I miss you too. I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. I know you hate me. Well, I miss you too.